Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's truly, I'm digging you, you make me believe. Love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on.
Okay, everyone. So I'm in my bathroom and I'm getting myself together because I'm gonna be going to a dinner. Nothing crazy. My mom is in town. She wants to go to dinner. So your girl's hair is still not done. So I put on this little wig to do a little something. And I think she's at the door. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Later. Okay, everybody. So this is the fit. My jeans. Bodysuit is Zara. Pants is Fashion Nova. Hair Lit. Necklace Christian Dior. And I don't know what shoes I'm gonna wear yet. Excuse what's going on right here. Couldn't find anything to wear, so that's it. Price is cheaper. Now the crazy thing about it was, if I would have came in when the new manager small.
Yeah, I know.
I don't know if that will fit your face.
Not this big one, the one that I have.
Hold it. Hold it right there.
What are we doing?
What are you talking about?
I am not doing this.
What? You guys supposed to hold this because we filming.
Who is filming?
Us. You gotta give us light. Lord. On my vlog.
That you went to dinner with your mother.
Yep. There you go. You gotta hold it.
Blessings on blessings. Look at my life, man. That's lessons on lessons on lessons. I treat the beat like it's a reverend. I tell the truth like, Father, forgive me. These are all my confessions, man. This wasn't luck, it was destined. I done lost homies who been with me since Ed and Eddie, who flip like confetti. And then when you back, they back to call you dog. That shit can get petty. Bitch, don't get no dap to me, nigga. Funny thing about talking behind my back is that it just keep coming back to me, nigga. Was off for a sec, now it's back to me, nigga. You the tightest, the drinks are the coldest, the future the brightest, the feet not divided, the love is divided, and I just got it, thank God that we got it. Bless. I don't know what I would do without a crew, look like we robbed the bank, but all we make is deposits, your profit will profit, oh God. I'm here for a good time, not a long time, you know, I haven't had a good time.
Alright, y'all, so don't judge me, okay? I'm in cleaning mode. That's why I have my bonnet on, okay? But I had to stop and show y'all. I got my package from Joy in Life. For y'all who do not know who Joy of Life is, she is Bow Wow's first baby mother, or mother of child, whatever y'all want to say. She does like a lot of fitness things. So she has a line on fitness. So when you get it, it's gonna say Joy in Fitness. She has Joy in Fitness on the back. It's the card that it comes with. And this is pretty much what it looks like. Pretty much this is how you get your package receipt. That's pretty much what it is for the most part. I like this though. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Like, I actually really like this little envelope thing instead of just getting a paper in there. She went the extra mile with this. I think this is extremely cute. I ended up getting a waist trimmer. So it's not a waist trainer. So the thing is with the waist trainers, I'm not wearing this every single day, all day, like most girls are doing. I'm literally just wearing this waist trimmer just to work out in. So, and then it comes in this packaging. She has all her Joy in Life right here, which I think is extremely cute. Because one thing about it, when you have a business, you have to make sure that you brand yourself. And she's definitely branding herself with this. So it smells so new, y'all. Well, this is what it comes out like this. Like this. And then, and you see now she's branding again. So I think that's cute. That's so cute. So I'm gonna show you guys like what it looks like. Y'all. So I'm gonna show you guys pretty much what it looks like. Right. Put it on. Alright. Here. And it comes in here. And then I will use this to work out in. And then I'll put this over it. I probably could have I actually could have probably did a medium. You guys can see. I actually probably could have did a medium, to be honest, but that's what it looks like.